Amazon kitchen must-have. This space-saving bakeware set is perfect for small kitchens. It's non-stick and comes with 8 pieces, including a roasting pan, a baking sheet, 2 muffin pans, and 4 cake pans. But the best part about it is that it's made to stack together to save cabinet space. It's high quality and comes in 4 colors.
This touchless paper towel dispenser by Inovia makes grabbing paper towel easy when your hands are full. You can set it to dispense a full or half sheet, and it automatically retracts any unused sheets. It's convenient when your hands are wet or dirty. You simply wave your hand in front of the sensor and it helps keep the whole roll dry and clean.
This is the Keurig Mini Coffee Maker. It's perfect for at-home coffee, the office, and on the go. It's a single-serve machine that makes your coffee perfect every time. Just add the amount of water desired, 6 to 12 ounces, put your coffee mug or tumbler on the tray, and you have fresh coffee in minutes. You can use any flavor of K-Cups or a reusable coffee filter with your own ground coffee. To brew in a tumbler, simply remove the drip tray. Available in several color options.
Oh my God, what is that? Put it in the cart. Put it in the cart. I don't even remember what I came here for. Well, this section looks a little different than it did yesterday. And look at this. Look at this. My anxiety really just melts away.
I love a product that makes life easier, and this vegetable chopper has been a game changer in the kitchen. Saves me so much time and effort chopping vegetables for meal prep, and I also love prepping vegetables and storing them in the fridge, so when I'm ready to cook, it's so easy to just pull out and throw a meal together. I've never enjoyed cutting vegetables, but this chopper makes it enjoyable. It's such an awesome kitchen tool, and I'll have it linked down below for you guys, because who doesn't love a product that makes life easier?
Let's play a game. How many calories do you think are in this handful of white rice? Let's see. 58.5 calories. Now, what about this stick of butter? 380 calories and only 0.4 grams of protein. But that's exactly why I bought this food scale. Like, I don't know much about nutrition, and this thing does all of the work for you. It comes with a free app where you can just scan the barcode of your food, and then when you weigh it on the scale, it'll put all of the nutrition facts in for you. These are actually on sale right now too, and the lowest price you can find them is going to be on TikTok Shop. If you've been wanting to take your fitness goals seriously this year, I would definitely recommend picking one of these up for yourself. So if you're ready to reach your goals, I'm going to link it right on this video.
Stop using your old can opener. This is my favorite kitchen gadget of all time. This is called the Kitchen Mama. Not only is it so cute and matches my white kitchen, but it's the most fun device to use. Pops open cans in seconds, leaving my hands free for more important things. I even let my toddler use it. That's how safe it is. The magnet picks up the lid so you don't have to fuss around with it. And it's no longer sharp. It's literally my favorite thing in the world. I just love it so much. Head over to Amazon. They have all different styles for your style kitchen. I just love my little Kitchen Mama.
Drinking glasses with bamboo lids. Comes with 4 straws and 2 cleaning brushes. 16 ounces cute tumbler cup, ideal for cocktail, iced coffee or
Amazon Home Favorites. This electric composter reduces organic waste by 80%. It has 3 different cycles. One is grow mode, which turns your food waste into fertilizer for your plants or garden. The second for bioplastics and biodegradable material. And the third one is for a quick compost so that your food waste doesn't produce methane gas in a landfill.
Let's make a delicious salted caramel mocha using the Mr. Coffee single serve latte maker. This maker is a beast. It can create both hot and cold lattes, and everything you need is built in so you can measure, brew, froth, and create cafe-style lattes and cappuccinos at home. Once the coffee and water are added to the maker, you'll add some toffee and chocolate syrup to a cup, then place your cup under the Mr. Coffee maker and press the hot coffee button so we can brew our coffee. It's gonna brew in just minutes and give you a delicious cup of coffee. Now, my favorite thing about this maker is the built-in frother, which creates beautiful hot or cold foam. We're gonna add some milk up to the milk line and vanilla syrup for frothing to top off our latte. Once the automatic frothing cycle is finished, grab the frothed milk and add it to the coffee. Lastly, we're going to top it off with a little caramel drizzle and just a pinch of salt. Just like that, we have an absolutely delicious salted caramel mocha made with the Mr. Coffee single-serve latte maker.
I know trash cans are not the most interesting thing in the world to talk about, but check this one out.
it opens for you, and then you dump it in, hands-free. Absolutely love this. My husband put it in there wrong, but there's a clip underneath it that keeps your bag on the inside, and that way you don't see the bag, if you do it right. But stainless steel does not hold odor like plastic does, and that's the main reason I wanted this. I learned that with my litter box, how much less of a smell I had. I'm gonna link this below, because with a couple batteries, you don't have to worry about touching your trash can and getting it all germy or dirty. I love this idea, and I'm linking it below for y'all.
This machine turns any frozen fruit into instant soft serve. It's called the Yonanas. Add in frozen bananas and any toppings like peanut butter, chocolate, or caramel for a creamy, dairy-free sweet treat. If you don't like bananas, or maybe you're allergic to bananas, use mango and strawberries to make a thick, no sugar added sorbet in seconds. This is the perfect gift for the holidays. Tag your bestie who needs this.